Running a Sennebogen? Awesome machines, but are you sure you've got the right one? Choosing wrong could be costing you thousands in fuel and lost production every single week. Hey everyone, Sennebogen makes top-tier material handlers, purpose-built for tough jobs like yours. But picking the right model? That's where the money's made, or lost. In this video, we're going beyond the spec sheet. We're matching the muscle to the mission, breaking down the key Sennebogen ranges, looking at the real pros and cons, and figuring out which machine truly fits your operation. Whether you're knee-deep in scrap, running a fast-paced MRF, or tackling heavy demo. Stick around for the next few minutes, and you'll walk away knowing how to choose the Sennebogen that boosts your efficiency, keeps your operators happy, and makes your whole operation run smoother. Let's face it, margins are tight, fuel isn't cheap, and you need equipment that works as hard as you do. Sennebogen's green efficiency tech helps, but only if the machine size is right for the workload. It's like tools, right? You wouldn't use a small handler for massive loads, burning it out. And you wouldn't use a giant machine for sorting small stuff, wasting fuel and space. You need to keep in mind considerations like operating weight, reach, lift capacity, and undercarriage types. Understanding how these interplay is key to matching the machine to your job site reality. The nimble navigators, your 818, 821, and potentially even 825 size machines. They are ideal for sorting, light loading, and tight quarters. Some of the pros to a smaller machine include being super maneuverable, burning less fuel for lighter tasks, and the great visibility from the max cab. They are perfect for indoor recycling facilities, smaller yards, or even transfer stations where space is premium. Some of the cons of the smaller machines are the limited reach for high loading or stacking on big trucks, and lower lift capacity means slower handling of heavy or bulky items. The all-round performers, your 825, 830, and 835 green machines. The versatile sweet spot for many operations. Some of the pros of your mid-sizes is the balance of reach for loading most trucks and hoppers, a solid lift capacity for general scrap, C&D, or timber. Also, it can handle decent volume. These sizes are often available as electric E-Series for fixed installations where there may be extra concern for noise, emissions, or ongoing operating costs. Some of the cons are the higher upfront cost, they use more fuel than compacts, and they might still lack reach for the biggest chips or shredders. Keep in mind these machines need more room to swing if you are operating in a tight area. The heavy hitters, your 840, 850, 860, and 870 plus size machines, providing maximum reach and power for high volume, heavy duty cycles. Some of the pros include the massive reach for stockpiling or ship loading and unloading. Also, they have a huge lift capacity for dense scrap, large logs, or bulk cargo. They are built for continuous, demanding work. Some of the cons include the significant investment, highest operating cost, and the need for lots of space. They are total overkill and inefficient for smaller tasks. And remember, wheels for mobility, tracks for rough ground, or stationary for fixed plants. Plus, the right grapple or magnet type is just as critical. Okay, so why obsess over the model? Because the right Sennebogen means faster cycles. Less time is spent filling that truck or sorting that pile. More material is moved per hour, which goes straight to your bottom line. Lower fuel cost per ton. You're not burning diesel swinging unnecessary weight or running a small machine ragged. Plus, less strain usually means lower maintenance. A happier, safer operator. Good visibility, less fatigue, and the right capacity reduces risks. That means more uptime and productivity. Finding the right fit is about optimizing your entire workflow, not just buying a machine. Look, specs are just one piece. Access to an authorized service provider for parts and support is another huge factor. Don't underestimate operator feedback either. They live in these things. And we haven't even dug deep into customizations like cab elevations or specific guarding packages that Sennebogen offers. The best machine is always tailored to your specific site. So, while these guidelines help, the real test is on your ground. As a Sennebogen authorized service provider, we at Sargent's Equipment make sure each material handler that goes out to our customer site is equipped to handle the task. Ask yourself what unique challenges will influence your equipment choices. Alright, weigh in below. What's the most common Sennebogen size you see tackling your type of work, and why do you think it's so popular? Share your frontline experience. Hit that like button. It really helps us know what content serves you best. And make sure you subscribe for more no-nonsense guides on the heavy equipment that powers your world.